Alright, welcome back with us here. I am here as a tutor of English in Visigo Academy, guys. So in this great time, we have to do our podcast, with my students, especially my beloved students. With first is Alif Salihin, and the next is
And I'm Holifatullah.
alright Holifatullah and Alif Salihin. We have to do our podcast. Everything will be talked, for a few minutes, with my two students around me. So, right is Alif and left is Holly. Without taking long, we're going to have our enjoy time, guys. Yeah, okay. Everything can be talked uh, everything can be told for a few minutes. Then you can ask me, or I can ask you.
Okay.
Right. First, I need to ask you. I would like to ask who is the first, Alif or
Khalid.
Olive first.
Okay.
All right, Olive. Um, in your house, what do you usually do when weekend?
At weekend, I don't do anything actually. Maybe I just playing game or scrolling TikTok, Instagram. Yeah, it's a boring activity. So
All
it's
right.
not interesting.
Okay. So really interesting with it. With maybe going holiday or
Holiday?
sometimes.
No, I'm going to my school to play basketball
All right.
at
Oh,
evening.
that's very benefit thing or useful thing that you do in your holiday,
Yeah.
or day off,
Yeah.
when you don't come to campus or not having activity like study or read book.
Sometimes.
You sure? Read book?
Yeah, I'm sure if I not read book, maybe I will read Wattpad. Oh, novel. Novel, yeah,
Okay.
it's like that.
Watching something like movie or what?
Oh, movie. Maybe I watch K-drama.
Okay.
Oh, Korean
oh my
drama.
god! Oh my god! Korean drama. All right. What do you like to watch Korean drama actually?
For the genre, I like to watch, for the first, yeah, I like romance comedy and action.
Okay.
For the romance comedy, I like to watch, what is this? I forgot what is the title.
Yeah, something like that.
Yeah, something
The
like
title is-
that.
Okay, so what makes you like to watch? I mean, can you tell me what of part of your favorite part in Korean drama?
Korean drama. Oh, the scene.
Yeah,
The scene
part of
maybe when I watch Weak Hero Class, you know? Weak Hero Class.
I don't know for
I don't
sure
know.
actually. Yeah, maybe you can tell for the people that who watch us.
Park Ji-hoon.
Park Ji-sung I know.
Ji-hoon.
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 Park Ji-sung I know. Yeah.
Ex-member 101. 101. No.
I don't really follow Korea. Yeah.
Um,
I just know some films of Korea. It's kind of action film.
Action.
Yeah, like Vincenzo Casano.
Yeah.
You know it?
I know, but I never watching it.
And teach you a lesson.
Ah, the listen.
Right.
I watched it 1 week ago.
1 week ago.
Yeah.
Okay, okay. So what else you do in your house when you get holiday or doing help your mother or father?
No, my mom is single parent.
Oh, I'm sorry for it. Yeah, single parent. Yeah, maybe you help your mother to do or to work.
My mom don't do anything because she has what I can say. Um, she just knows it.
Okay. Oh, yeah. Sorry for it. Yeah, do not take it to it.
Okay, okay, that's okay.
All right, that's good, Holly. So I'm going to move to Aleph. Aleph, what do you usually do when you do a weekend at home or going somewhere or doing more activities?
In my house, actually, specifically in Bima,
All right.
I didn't do anything attractive, but yeah, just laying in my bed, playing a game, Mobile
Okay.
Legends, Minecraft.
Wow, do you play Mobile Legends?
Yeah.
Oh my
I play
god.
Mobile Legends. I play Minecraft, Genshin Impact.
Wah, Genshin Impact.
I don't know for Genshin actually. I play
Genshin
Mobile
Impact.
Legends.
Genshin Impact, Honkai Star Rail, Wuthering Wave,
Yes.
and everything
Chess. Do you
else.
play chess?
Uh,
Counter Strike.
Counter Strike.
No.
Man, I have to ask you something. What's your phone? Your phone model?
No, it just I download the Genshin Impact when I think when it have a special banner like Columbina
Oh,
was
wow.
rerun or something, and then when I got a Columbina, I just delete it.
Okay. By the way, when you say that you play Mobile Legends in
Yeah.
previous conversation. So
What's my rank?
yeah, what's your rank and what
My-
kinds of hero do you like to use or your favorite hero when you are
Pro.
playing Mobile Legends?
Yeah, my higher ranks is
Your highest tier.
your highest tier is 65 in Call of Duty.
Mythical
Yeah,
glory.
mythical
Oh
glory.
my god, you are a bit
Man.
pro. Shit, man.
But you never been immortal.
You know? Me too. I never get immortal actually. I played Mobile Legends since about 7 years. You know, but I seldom play. Yeah, when I have free time to play, I play it. When I don't know or I don't have something to do, I play Mobile Legends. Yeah. I don't play like people who play until stay up. They stay up or something like that. Yeah.
I
So
play Mobile Legend every night when I got bored.
okay.
Like just 3 match for
Okay.
today, for every day,
All right.
and then yeah, I just cooking for myself in my
you
boarding
cook.
house.
You
Yes.
like cooking.
Not like cooking, but I had to cooking to
Yeah,
Yeah.
Everything every day. Yeah. Okay. If you don't cook, you don't eat.
Oh,
Yeah.
of course.
I'm getting hungry.
Yeah, and then yeah, cleaning my room at my boarding house, and then yeah, that's all. I think yeah, I just do some. I just doing that at my weekend, at my holiday, at my boarding house, on my house.
Okay. From the activity that you said both, yeah, which one the best or um, your favorite activities when you
Of course,
have
playing game.
of yeah for you? What about you?
Yeah.
What about me? When I'm in Mataram, I just sleep on in my boarding house.
All right, sleep is one of activity actually, right?
Okay.
Oh my God, sleep. Okay, you don't have something benefit to do.
Maybe I will call Risky to coming to my boarding house and we play phone together.
Play phone, yeah, play game.
No,
No, you
just
just
scrolling.
So what is Risky coming for?
What's the reason?
No reason.
No reason. Yeah. Oh my God. Oh my God. I thought that you call Risky to come to your boarding house
To play
then,
with you.
yeah, to play game or maybe yeah, and so hang out, drink coffee or something.
Oh, sometimes we do that.
Sometimes. All right. That's yeah. That's what is it called? Useless thing. Yeah. That Risky comes up useless. Come to your boarding house.
Useless
Okay.
thing.
Okay. It's very useless. Yeah. Okay. Because Risky doesn't have anything to do when he came to his
Yeah.
boarding house.
Just
So what
play
for you
your
call
phone.
Risky?
Because
It's only for accompany you?
yeah,
Oh my God. And Risky
Just for the
comes.
company.
yeah. Because when I'm alone, I just feel bored.
Okay, you don't have anyone to talk. To
Yeah.
have conversation.
And sometimes I call Mutia, Repi, and Zila.
Oh my God. Okay. Talking about that you stay in your house. Yeah.
Boarding.
Absolutely. You are from Lotte.
Yeah,
Isn't it?
it's Lombok.
Yeah, you-
I'm from Bima.
Okay. what what is? Can you tell me about your hometown? Maybe when you tell me I can go there, I really want to go there.
Not recommended.
No, recommend. Why?
Because I think the people people in my town in myself I think it's
Your opinion.
yeah, my opinion it's maybe kind of rude.
Rude?
Yeah.
Why? How
Because
could it be?
they always judging someone who's talking in English.
Okay.
Yeah, and then yeah, everything you do.
I think not all people.
Yeah, I think not all, but
Yeah, all but
Maybe a few of
a few,
them.
yeah.
A few.
if people yeah must judge you about when you say something when you talk
Kinds
with
of jealous. Maybe they are jealous that you have
maybe
something better than them.
yeah maybe
Yeah.
they jealous because
Okay.
they can do like what you do.
So what about you? What is special thing or you can recommend me to come there? Or what?
you can go to Rinjani. Of course, Rinjani.
Yeah,
I mean, which is the specifically or the specifically place did you live?
Oh, Pringgasela.
Yeah. So, what is special thing in Ringasela or
Hmm, what is special? I because
you live there, right?
yeah, but I forgot because I just so
Unrecommended for me.
no. You can going
Yeah.
if on the last July because
Okay.
in Pringgasela, you know alunan budaya.
Alunan.
Alunan budaya Pringgasela.
I don't know. How can you tell me about it? Tell us absolutely. Actually, yeah.
In alunan budaya in Pringgasela, you can watch a concert.
Okay, concert.
Like last year, Tip X.
Tip X come there.
Yeah.
Every year.
Yeah, every year.
Oh right. That is Alunan Budaya or that is Pringgasela's born sorry birthday.
Like that, maybe.
Okay.
I don't know it because
So before concert or everything, what was the attraction can be shown in?
for the attraction, like culture,
Okay.
what it can, for culture show,
Yeah.
concert, and
Drama or what?
yeah, drama, and maybe even like
Opera. Yeah, that sense of opera.
opera, and maybe even like running even.
Oh,
Yeah, just like
right.
it's just like carnival,
yeah,
Kind
carnival.
traditional carnival.
Yeah, traditional carnival in
running
Pringgasela.
okay, run around this one. What is it called?
Mopra.
In Bahasa actually that is lintas awan. Yeah.
No,
Is it only run?
only
Color run. Color run.
Color?
You know color run?
No.
Oh, right.
what is called run?
Color run is actually it's not traditional. What's that? It's not traditional carnival or it is when people like they run in one off stage, big stage. Now they make a color, many colors with I don't know what do they use
Oh no.
to make a color. Actually, everything kinds of color. You can search later maybe.
Yeah,
YouTube, what
but
is
no,
color.
there's no.
Right, right. So it is one of special thing in your hometown. What about? Do you have any traditional food?
Traditional food.
Traditional.
What about your Bima first? What is the
Bima?
traditional food?
In Bima, I think they call salome.
Oh right, salome. But here like chilo, okay?
Not sounds like chilak. It's
Yeah,
like
yeah, yeah. Okay.
like pentol.
Yeah,
in
chilo. Here that we call it chilo.
But in Lombok, they use 70% kanji tapioca.
Okay, and
But In Bima, Salome, it's made of 70% meat. That's the difference of Chilok and Salome in Bima.
What
But
kinds of meat? Fish,
no, not a fish. It's beef.
beef, 70%.
Yeah,
And they sell it.
yeah.
How much do they sell for
Just
one?
1,000 for one.
Oh my god!
It sounds delicious.
Sound very cheap
Yeah.
because the kinds of 70% of beef, right?
Yeah,
Inside of that bottle or that
not so
meat
big,
ball.
tall. It's just
Yes, yes,
Beef.
I got you. Even to that, but 70% beef.
yeah.
Yeah, okay. So what is the sauce or what?
And this is chili sauce.
Okay, like usual.
Yeah, it's chili sauce and
It's hot or sweet?
it's
Hot.
We can choose
yeah.
our actually depend on our taste.
Sorry, but it make me hungry. Sorry.
Oh my god, you hungry? What? Oh my
So
god.
hungry
Okay.
too.
Then, what about you?
What mine?
Is there any traditional food or in
Traditional food, like bulayak.
okay, satay. Yeah, satay
Satay.
gulay.
Satay bulayak. Yeah, I think you know.
Yeah, I know it. Yeah, I know it. Yeah. Maybe you can tell to him
Yeah,
that
I don't
how
know
can
what's
some
meant.
because actually we are from Lombok and he is from Bima, right? So he doesn't know more about that. What you mentioned. Okay.
It just like satay. Yeah, I think you know satay and the bulayak. The bulayak is just like in bahasa we call this apa ya?
That's made of what?
Rice.
Rice,
Yeah, rice.
satay.
No, the what is it called? Ketupat. You know
Yeah, ketupat. But
But long ketupat.
no ketupat.
Lontong.
Yeah, lontong.
Yeah, lontong.
I want to say it.
Sorry, I forget it.
That's
Okay,
lontong. It's same like lontong.
Yeah.
And for the sauce, it made from peanut sauce. You know, yeah.
Yeah.
I think you know the taste of peanut sauce.
Yeah. The satay can be from beef,
Beef or chicken. Yeah,
It's
it's like that.
or if you want to make pork too.
No,
No, I'm kidding. I'm kidding. Yeah.
Okay, sorry.
I'm kidding about that.
No, not me.
Unrecommended. Sorry, because we are Muslim. Yeah, sorry about that. Oh my god.
Okay.
Okay, then, any else? Only satay?
I just
Or maybe there is kinds of handcraft. No handcraft.
Oh, yeah. Kerajinan tangan.
handcraft
In bahasa.
like
Like asbak Bali, maybe.
no nothing. No, not asbak Bali. In bahasa kain tenun.
Oh, right.
Oh.
Yeah, a shirt, yeah.
Yeah, in Bima.
Okay. Clothes. Okay. And then,
Like
do they make
What's
it
the-
like
Yeah,
like
they make it.
what is it called in Loteng exactly? Like sukarara.
Sukarara and Sade village.
Yeah.
And we can see they make.
We can try it too.
Yeah, we can if you want, and if you can.
Okay. Thank you very much for your
Okay.
for our great conversation in this great podcast. Yeah, I hope it can be improve your fucking English too.
Oh
my God.
man, don't say like that.
No, fucking not doesn't mean that only bad thing.
yeah.
Yeah, I
It
know.
can be like praise you. Yeah, praise.
Yeah, like fucking
Yeah.
safety,
Yeah.
fucking
Fucking handsome,
Yeah.
fucking beautiful, and everything. Okay, it's good. All right, thank you very much to watch us, guys. So, see ya. All right.